Hey guys, so today is my day for the Croctober over at YouTube Mommy Meetup, and today what I'm going to be making is some savory herb with garlic, roasted chicken, and playlist will be in the description box. And today, like I said, I'm going to be roasting a chicken in the slow cooker seasoned with savory herb with garlic with potatoes, and then I'm about to put this chicken in the pot. Now you may be asking, Trista, why is that chicken in a cast iron pan? Well, I'm glad you asked. Well, for those that have been watching me for a little bit, we have just recently moved from California over here to North Carolina, and I don't have all of my stuff yet. So I am just basically using what I have right now, and I don't have a lot of my seasonings, a lot of my tools, a lot of my utensils, and bowls and pots and things like that. So that's why I'm so happy I got this slow cooker at Walmart for only $20, and I'm so happy about that. So anyway, I'm about to put this chicken in here, and it's gonna be on high for about 4 hours maybe. I'll just check it out and see. I am basically all about that simple life. Okay, so guys, hang in there with me. Okay guys, so I don't know if I showed you guys the type of seasonings I use. I use the Mrs. Dash garlic and herb, and on top of that I use the savory herb with garlic seasonings in addition to some salt. So that is what I am making. It is on high, and again I will check you guys in a little bit. I am so excited about this. So I'm praying that it will be done. It is now 11, and again, I will check back with you guys when it's done. All right, guys. So here is the final product. I am so excited. Look at that, guys. It is juicy, okay? It is now almost 6:30. Last time I showed you guys, it was like around 11:30. So it has been probably around 5 or 6 hours. 6 or 7 hours. And so I had just recently just put it on low for the last hour, and here we go. If you guys need any of the directions, it will be in the description box along with the playlist for October. The kids are back now. So guys, if you are interested, definitely check back and look at all the other crockpot recipes, and you guys enjoy. Take care. Bye.